How to get Meta verified on WhatsApp. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of getting your WhatsApp business account verified by Meta. First, we'll check whether the Meta verification option is available for your account. If it's not, we'll walk you through the necessary steps to become eligible for verification. So first of all, if the option isn't available, there are a few steps you need to follow to become eligible. So first of all, you need to complete your business profile. Ensure that every section of your profile is properly filled out. Leaving any field blank may affect your eligibility. Here's what needs to be completed. Profile picture, upload your company's logo or a high quality professional image of yourself. Cover image, add a cover photo that aligns with your brand's identity. Business address, enter the physical location of your business. Website, provide a valid link. Email address, include a legitimate business email. Business description, operating hours. And after that, you gotta set business details such as business name, business type, customer support details, grievance officer contact. And after that, you gotta create a product or service catalog. So setting up a catalog for your products or services is mandatory. So if you don't create one immediately, you won't be able to post catalogs even after getting verified. And after that, you got to write an about section. So provide a brief overview of your business to give users a clear understanding of what you offer. So Meta requires all these details to verify your account if your profile is fully updated, but the Meta verified option is still unavailable. Don't worry, the option may take a few days, usually between 2 to 3 days, but in some cases, up to 10 to 15 days to appear. So increase your chances with waitlist to speed up the process. You can join the Meta verified waitlist. To do this, what you gotta do is open the WhatsApp business app, navigate to the tool section, select the Facebook and Instagram option, choose Facebook and tap Get Started. So log in with Facebook account that has admin access to your business page, then select the correct page and complete the process. So if you don't have a Facebook business page, you can create one easily. And after creating that, you need to purchase Meta verification. So once Meta verification becomes available for your WhatsApp business account, you gotta click on the Meta verified option, double check that all your business details are accurate, as you won't be able to edit them after getting verified. Select a suitable verification plan. Meta may present only the plans they deem relevant to you, and then proceed with the payment. So after payment, Meta will allow you to review your details before final submission. So there are two verification methods. One is providing business details or submitting a government ID. So after that, after submitting your application, Meta will review your details. In most cases, verification takes between 2 to 10 minutes, but it may take a few hours in some instances. So once successfully verified, you'll receive the blue tick on your WhatsApp business profile, boosting your business credibility and trustworthiness. So that is basically how you can get Meta verified on WhatsApp business. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.